Are you in charge of hosting a graduation party? Well, if so, I've got just what you need. I'm Gracie with WTI, and check out this 124-piece black and gold decor set from the Party Spot store. So our favorite was this balloon arch, which totally stole the show. From sparkly balloons to solid ones, star-shaped, and these large GRAD letters and 2025 or 2026 number balloons. Everything put together was the perfect touch to make it fun and fill the space beautifully. Plus, it even comes with a balloon pump, double-sided tape, and the strip to make the arch with ease. And I thought this photo banner was such a cute idea to showcase the GRAD's photos and to really just personalize it. And these boxes were really cute. It came with all the stickers to decorate them, and then we stuffed them with some balloons. And my whole family just had so much fun putting all of this together right before the party. We put the string lights around the cake and added the foil curtains to our backdrop for some extra sparkle and fun. Trust me, not only will your grad feel like the star of the show, but you're going to save so much time not having to worry about matching colors or theme pieces. Everything you need is right in this kit, and you're going to be so thankful that you got this. And that's my point of view.